Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, Oxfordshire's most rated exterior cleaning company, and thanks for joining us for today's video. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 3 different options for roof cleaning and give you an unbiased opinion on all 3. This will be moss removal with treatment of Biocide, and then a full restoration to a roof using our soft wash system. So the first element is just moss removal. So moss removal is quite a common term that people like yourselves are probably looking for online. So this would typically be somebody working either from a towel scaffold or actually working from sat on your roof using a small brush just to sweep away that moss removal. And that could be as little as £800. The trouble with this is that you're not actually killing any of the organic compounds that are on the roof, which means you'll probably end up having to have that done again in a couple of years' time. So the second option is a moss removal with a Biocide treatment. This can be with somebody either on your roof or on a towel scaffold, removing 60% of that moss residue and then treating with a Biocide. The thing is with a Biocide, it can actually take between 6 and 12 months for that Biocide to work properly. And you'd probably be typically spending about £1,100 to have that treatment done. If you're invested in your property, then you don't really want to be waiting 6 to 12 months for it actually to look fantastic. The ultimate service would be to use a full restoration clean to your roof. With Alfresco, we'll be working from our cherry picker, so we'd be using safe access equipment to get up to your roof. We don't walk on it, and we'd pre-wash the roof down at about 1000 psi just to remove all of that dirt, grime and lichen that's on your roof. We then make sure all of your gutters, downpipes, soffit and fascia boards are all clean, and then we'd use our soft wash system chemicals to kill any residue that's left on the roof, and then thus giving you a 5-year warranty backed by soft wash systems here in the UK. Typically the price for this for a 3-bedroom property, depending on the size, infestation level, would typically be between £1,250 and £2,500 of your investment. We're often asked when we come out and do our home assessment, which one do we recommend? Well, ultimately, if you want to just have the moss removal service, that is absolutely fine. It's an entry-level service, but to be honest with you, we're going to be back within a few years to redo it again. So if you're planning on staying in your property for a number of years, or maybe you're actually looking to sell, because our soft wash warranty is actually transferred to the homeowner, not with you. So if you'd like to know more information about the services that we offer here at Alfresco, give us a call in the office on 0333 567 2727 or visit the website alfrescoec.co.uk. Thanks for watching today's video.